It is now 9:20 on the 29th of November, and this is the situation on my way to work. Major traffic jams. This is the first day of snow, and there is a hell of a lot of snow. The driving conditions are so dangerous. It's unbelievable. There are trams stopped everywhere, there are buses, there are people trying to get home. I've been here for 8 years, and to be honest with you, this is the worst I have ever seen it. Yeah, this is bad. Really, really bad. Anyway, I'm going to stop filming now because I have to focus on the road. I just have to show you some more. This is the situation in Warsaw today. It's -8 degrees, it's snowing 20 millimeters, and it's a mess. It's a mess. It's amazing this town hasn't come to a standstill. I mean, okay, there's been traffic until 9:30, from 4 o'clock to 9:30, but yeah, don't blame it. Look at the state of the roads. It's a mess. Cars are sliding all over the place. It's just a big mess. This is the worst I've seen it in 8 years that I've been living here. Yeah, it's taken me today at this time 1 hour to get home, I hope. Well, I've been on the road for half an hour, and yeah, usually takes me 15 minutes at this time. Remember, it's 9 o'clock and there is still traffic, and as you can see, there is a lot of snow. It's a nightmare driving in these conditions.